Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great Monday. We do have a new subscription to my channel to unbox, and I'm pretty excited to share this with you. This is a little bit different. This is actually a stationery subscription, and I don't know if you're like me, but I like writing everything down, making plans. It makes everything so much easier. And this is called My Paper Box. This was kindly sent to me for review, but I want to tell you a little bit about the subscription before we actually dive in and open. So they do have plans starting at $10 a month. Sorry you guys, my hair is like getting in my face. The $10 a month plan, like I said, that's where it starts. That's the mini custom stationery notepad set. Then they do actually have the My Paper Box subscription, which starts at $28 a month. They do have free shipping. It is over a $50 retail value in every box, and you are guaranteed four or more personalized stationery items, which can range from notepads, greeting cards, planners, thank you cards, just a variety. I will make sure to link the site down below so that if you like it, you can definitely hop over and order you some personalized stationery items. I am super excited. Here it is. And yes, Southern Mom is my YouTube name, but my real name is Nikki. So again, this is why it's gonna say Nikki's Paper Box. So I am ready to dive in here and see what we got. Like I said, this was sent to me for review. I am super excited to share this with you guys and hope this is something that you find just as awesome as I did. Hey there, good looking. Love that. Some bubble wrap. I love when companies take the time to put extra stuff in to assure that your products will arrive undamaged. So we have a card here that says, "Welcome to the club." And then it says My Paper Box. That's a beautiful card. All right, so then this is what it looks like inside. So it is sealed. I still can't see the goodies. So we are gonna dive right in. All right, yay. So right here I'm seeing, sorry, the camera's moving, you guys. All right, so this looks like a sticker from My Paper Box, so that is great. This is cute. This is, okay, so this is a little pop-up calendar. Nikki September, yay. That is so cute. My husband will appreciate this. Things I don't need. So that's cool. And there is another one. Things I don't need. You know, I will fill both of these with things I do need or want. Oh, and then we've got some really cute magnets. If you can't convince them, confuse them. I do that with my husband a lot. This is funny. If you ran like your mouth, you'd be in good shape. So that is really cute. And then we also have, this is right up my alley because I love wine. Here's to being mature enough to celebrate Wine Wednesday instead of Tequila Tuesday. How cute are these magnets? That is just, they are so cute. They're so cute. And then it looks like we've got here quite a few little, they're really pretty on the back, kind of like postcards that say a note from Nikki. So this is awesome. Those are so cute. And then we've got some other stuff. It looks like it's wrapped up again. Sorry if you guys hear thunder. It just decided to start storming while I'm recording. Okay, so we have got some really, really pretty cards. Okay, these are cute. So this is the first one. And it says, as your best friend, I'll always pick you up when you fall after I finish laughing. And it says from Nikki. How cute. That is super, super cute. And then the next one, never let your best friends get lonely. Keep disturbing them. So it's got a really cute picture on the front. And then inside the message, and again, already says from Nikki. And then we have this one. This one says, let loose and enjoy your crazy. And says from Nikki as well, with a beautiful picture on the front. This one has, this is really cool. It's like two-sided, so you see here what looks to be a lady maybe looking to put on her lipstick. You flip to the back, and that is exactly what it is. And it says, if all else fails, take a bath. And again, from Nikki. So I'm really excited. I really think the art of sending cards, like actual snail mail, has kind of gone out the window. So this is super great. It can get me back in the habit. So again, we have one final, it is another beautiful picture, and says, friends come and go like the waves of the ocean, but the true ones stay like an octopus on your face. You guys, I'm sorry. I was totally not expecting that at the end. That is awesome. So here you can see, and again it says from Nikki. That is great. And these beautiful hot pink envelopes included to send. That has me all like just cracked up. That was great. So again, this was I can't stop laughing. Again, this was my paper box. Again, this is a monthly stationery subscription. I will link her Crate Joy website down below so that if you like these products, you yourself can get some customized stationery and items. I hope you enjoyed this video. My face is actually starting to hurt from still laughing about the octopus. That was awesome. I hope everyone is having a great day, and until my next video, I will see you guys. Don't forget, like I said, please, if you have not already, hit subscribe down below. We do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and I hope you guys enter and subscribe and like my channel. So have a great day, and until next time, bye-bye.